Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix your PC can't project to another screen. Try reinstalling the driver. First method is, type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters. Right-click, click Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall. Click Action, click Scan for hardware changes. Second method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scan now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.